Hey guys, are you ready? Let's have a wig sale. All right, every once in a while I clear out my wig closet to make room for some new styles, and I sell some wigs at really low prices. Now, they are for sale on my website, which is Crazywiglady.com. Now, I'll put it up here somewhere, and I will also put the link to my website in the drop down box below. Be sure you sign up for my email list. It's at the very bottom of the first page of my website, and I will send out emails a little early to those people, so you'll get first choice of the wigs on sale. All right, I've added, I think, around 40 wigs to my website to sell, and I might add a few more. I have a few more to put on there, and as some of these sell, I might possibly add a few more to it. So just be sure that you go over there and have a look at all the ones I have for sale. But here are a few of the things that you need to know about it. Okay, if you see a wig that you're interested in purchasing, be sure to click on the wig and you will see a description of that wig. There'll be a box at the bottom of the page. It's a description box, and it will have all the information. There'll be photos of the wig there. If I have done a review, that review will be posted there as well. So you could watch the review. There'll be photos of the wig, so be sure to look at that. Now, at this time, I am only set up to accept PayPal. I do not accept any other forms of payment. And you can just pay right through the website at crazywiglife.com. I only ship within the continental United States, and that price that you will see includes shipping. All the wigs will ship in a padded mailer. They'll be in a Ziploc bag inside a padded mailer. All sales are final. I can't accept any returns, exchanges of any kind. There's only one of each wig, and so make sure you read the description because all sales are final. All right, like I said, in that drop-down description, when you see the description box at the bottom of the page of the wig you're looking at, again, make sure you read it very carefully. All information is there. If I have done any type of modification on that wig, I will list it in that description box. If I've steamed it, if I've cut the lace, anything that has been done to that wig, I will let you know that up front because, like I said, there are no returns and all of these sales are final. Now, most of the wigs I'm going to sell have just been worn for video review, photos. Sometimes I use them for comparison videos. There might be a tad of makeup on the lace. Keep that in mind on all wigs because I do wear makeup when I film, and I do wear the wigs for filming, and sometimes there's a little makeup residue there. Know that up front. But some of these wigs still have the tags on them. I've never reviewed them. So there will be some brand new styles, but the majority of the styles are the ones I have worn and you have seen in my videos. I get so many questions about wig sales, and I really only have time to have a couple a year. But at this time, I just have an over amount of wigs that have to be sold, that need to clear out of here. So that's why I'm having this big sale. And there's some really, really good prices there. So let's just recap it. See the photos and the videos of each wig. I only accept PayPal for payment. You can pay right through my website at crazywiglife.com. Shipping only within the continental United States, and the shipping is included in the price. Again, read the full description of the wig for any modifications or any other information you might need to know, and then all sales are final. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you find a wig that you might like. You know, I do this also because you might be looking for a style or a new color you wanted to try and you don't want to pay full price for it. So I think this is a great opportunity to try something new at an affordable price. I hope you enjoy it. Happy shopping.